Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the best productivity app for Windows. It's called AskDesk. With AskDesk, you can get your daily tasks done and control your PC using just your voice or keyboard. No coding required. Whether you want to automate repetitive tasks, quickly search your files, or use AI to help you work faster, this app has you covered. To get started, head to getaskdesk.com or search for AskDesk in the Microsoft Store. The installation is quick, and once it's done, you'll have access to a powerful toolkit to simplify your daily workflow. To open AskDesk, just press Alt plus Space. This brings up the search bar instantly, so you can start typing commands or even use your voice. It's super fast, which means you can jump straight into whatever you need without opening multiple apps. AskDesk can do a lot. It can search through your files, clipboard history, installed apps, and even custom commands that you set up yourself. But the real magic is the AI integration. You can talk to your PC and have it perform tasks automatically, saving you time and effort. Let me show you how it works, step by step. I'll start with some simple tasks and move to more advanced ones. Follow along, and you'll see how easy it is to get started. Example 1. Show your battery health report. Here, you can quickly check your battery status without digging through settings. Example 2. Tell me which apps are using my RAM. This is great if your PC is running slow and you want to see what's taking up memory in real time. Example 3. Search the web for the latest AI news and save it to my desktop. You can automate research tasks like this, which is perfect for students, developers, or anyone who wants quick updates without switching between browser tabs. Example 4. Set a reminder. Remind me to call John in 5 minutes. This is super useful for keeping track of tasks and meetings. You can even schedule recurring reminders for daily routines. You can also save commands for later use or assign search bangs, which are shortcuts for your favorite actions. That means the next time you want to do something, it's just a quick keystroke away. AskDesk is free forever, and the only paid feature is the AI integration. That means anyone can start using it immediately. And if you want even more advanced AI capabilities, you have the option to upgrade. Try it out and see how much faster and easier your workflow can become.